Welcome at the door. So what? Sit in the back. Maybe take a friend.
What's going on, everybody? You got the Raging Rob here. I'm outside of Marlena's. This isn't a Trump rally. I'm outside of Marlena's Bistro and Pizzeria here in Holland. We got a rally going on from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. About halfway done right now.
You're going to help all those candidates that you just heard from. Secretary
Got a lot of good speakers out here. Today's the grand opening of Marlena's
precinct delegates.
Bistro Pizzeria here in Holland.
Attorney General.
Got a lot of good speakers out here.
Precinct delegates.
Trump Unity Bridge is out here.
So you do have a voice. Dang it, we're 80%. Why don't we use
She's
voice?
But she was the one who refused to close the restaurant during the so-called pandemic.
The only one that
and she was jailed in Ingham County, fought against the government and won against that tyrant judge that, 1776.
If you have any questions about being a precinct delegate, we're right over there with all these bright red shirts on. One other thing that's over there on the table is a petition that I put together with Wendy Rogers. You know who she is? The senator from Arizona.
There's a few people keep driving by saying F Donald Trump. One guy was playing the F Donald Trump song. This is not a Donald Trump rally, you idiot. This is in support of Marlena's Bistro and Pizzeria, however you pronounce that word. Pizzeria.
Senator from Arizona,
here in Holland, Michigan.
Pushing for the audit that they just had in the report there. Very important influence.
Yeah, there's certain words I can't pronounce really good.
So comes to us in Michigan, she's
there's been a few instigators, but it's been peaceful.
So as we get into our Citizens Initiative and doing the things that Arizona did, we will get this audit. But we,
my shirt says 1776.
You become a precinct delegate today, or register to be one. You will be on the ballot August 22. You only need one vote, your own, to become elected.
Precinct delegate. I gotta get on that.
No excuse, right? But when you become a precinct delegate, register today, or if you're a current precinct delegate, you can sign this petition.
What's a petition?
What are some of the things that the MIGOP has been doing to thwart our audit? Have you heard them talking about the audit at all? At Mackinac conference last weekend, did anybody talk about? I wasn't there, but I heard it wasn't even.
Set my flag down for a minute.
Do you know that they had a meeting recently too, and we asked them to please not have electric machines at state convention when we pick our attorney general and secretary of state. We want paper ballots. What they vote? Do you think? No. They are going to have the very first ever nominating convention in April, 5 months before we have ever
like 3
had
times.
a
Next time I get his license plate
convention
number.
for the state. Why? Now their excuse is, well, that gives our candidates more time to campaign because we're actually going to nominate them, kind of choose them.
Come back here, you fucking pussy. Let's get your license plate number.
What do you think's really going to happen?
This guy, this white SUV over here.
They have their own candidates in mind, their own slate. Should we get there? How are we going to stop their slate, like shooting? Remember they gave us shooting. Remember they gave us robbing. What else did they give us? McCain. Okay.
He wants to be on camera. Let's put him on camera.
They're going to give them to us.
He wants the attention,
in
right?
April.
Well, that's not
How
her.
can we stop them
No,
and
it's that
give
guy
them
up there.
back our own slate? This is what we want. Become a precinct delegate.
There's a guy keeps driving by here saying F Donald Trump. He wants to be famous. I'll make him famous. I think it's his white SUV
So
here.
anyway, I'd like you to sign that petition. Please register to become a precinct delegate. If you have any questions, you can see me or my team. The notary's over there waiting for you. Use your voice. Thanks very much.
I'm not going to pay attention to him. I'm paying attention to my rally.
Thank you, everybody. We're going to talk about the Trump Unity Bridge.
All right.
The owner is Rob Cordes. He's got a heck of a story to share with you guys.
Oh, boy.
Big round of applause for the sound system, the Trump Unity Bridge, the ambulance, all of the merchandise. Rob Cordes, everybody.
That's my man right
Hello. Thank you all for being here at Marlena's Bistro. I'm proud and honored to be here. We drove from Livonia, Michigan last night, so we were close by, so we get here this morning. The Trump Unity Bridge has traveled across America to all 48 states on the mainland USA with hopes and dreams to make it to Alaska and Hawaii one day. We have traveled almost 400,000 miles through the streets of America over the past, since August of 2016, towing this float. We've gone through 7 engines that have blown up, towing the trailer.
Jesus.
5 transmissions.
Wow.
About 200 tires have been flattened, slashed, or the lug nuts have been loosened while we were there, and we didn't realize it. So different things have happened by the tolerant left that have sabotaged and different things. People have thrown loaves of bread, groceries, bottles of beer, chicken wings, sandwiches. They've even stolen the vehicle in Tulsa, Oklahoma, gotten a high-speed car chase with the police till the police caught up with them. Jackknifed it, caused about $30,000 in damage last summer. Last Wednesday, we were in Flint, Michigan, and a lady ran a red light, and I was driving the ambulance here, and I broadsided her at the red light. I slammed on the brakes and hit her. The car spun around, ambulance, and went into a telephone pole. A lot of you may have heard that.
Seen that.
The American Patriots and the Michigan 3%ers came and helped us put a new front bumper, new headlights, new hood, new grill, and we took it to the local dealership, and they fixed all the internal parts. So the accident was on Wednesday. Thursday we worked on it, and Friday we were back on the road. And all weekend long, people are asking me if I was going to be here all week long. Yeah, we've been fixed since last Thursday. So we're not funded by anybody except for we the people. And my hopes are that if we the people still keep supporting the Unity Bridge by making donations for fuel or picking up some Trump merchandise. We don't only have just Trump merchandise. We have America First, USA, Second Amendment, Back the Blue, and Trump. So we have a lot of different things. We have shirts, we have tank tops, hoodies, jewelry, earrings, wristwatches, a little bit of everything. So come on over and join us. And my purpose in speaking today is to make sure we all get out, participate, and do something. My week starts off on Mondays. We print shirts and fuel up and check the oil on the vehicles. On Tuesdays, we do a rally in Livonia at 7 Mile in Farmington. Every Wednesday, we're over here with Deborah L. signing up delegates in Saginaw on State Street. Every Thursday, we're in Macomb County, down at the county building, fighting for My Body, My Choice, election fraud, and choice on vaccine. And then every Friday, either Thursday night we take off from there, or Friday we go to different parts of Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, until we get these swing states kicked in and we have the forensic audit. So my thing is, demand a forensic audit, encourage your state legislature representatives, your local city, to demand forensic audits. Once we have the forensic audits, the fraud will be exposed and corrections can be made to fix America, and that's all we want. We want to work, fix America, and keep our jobs going. So God bless you all. God bless America. I'm going to turn things back over to Randy. If you want to come over and get a picture on the bridge, you're welcome to walk up there. Just be careful. Have a photo on it. Come on over, say hi. Any questions? If you're looking for something, let us know and we'll try to help you. And the float's available to travel across any state in Michigan, any city in Michigan, or any state in the country. So if you want our business card, come on over and grab a card. All right? Thank you.
Rob Cordes, everybody, Trump Unity Bridge.